Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you team savory or are you team sweet? I am definitely team savory, and I've always been somebody who reaches for the salty, sour, or pickled before anything sweet. Munching on these Fosters Pickled Asparagus Spears has satisfied every need that I have for that yummy pickled taste. I pickle my own vegetables every single year from produce that I get from the garden, but I don't have any asparagus, and so I love it when I can find one that tastes like I made it at home, but all the work is done for me. These asparagus spears are just like they were made in your kitchen or your grandma's kitchen. They're not mushy, but have been cooked to perfect al dente-ness. Sometimes it can be hard to get the brine ratio correct when it comes to pickled vegetables, but Foster's has really got the recipe down to a T. It's not too pickly, it's not too salty, and it's not spicy. I mean, they're just perfect. I love to snack on these any time of day, but I also love to add them to meals. I often make salads for lunch and add pickled vegetables to that. So adding asparagus spears to my salad has given it such a nice texture and punch of flavor. If you're finding the lid a little difficult to take off, Foster's has a really cool trick that I'm going to be using for other jars also. You just simply use a spoon and press up to release the seal. I can't get enough of these pickled asparagus spears. They taste so good. I really love eating them, and that's my point of view.